Understanding political symbiosis, a key to cooperative politics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept, political symbiosis. This term might sound complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, exploring its meaning and significance in the world of politics. Political symbiosis is all about cooperation and mutual benefit, and understanding it can offer us unique insights into how political entities interact with each other. Let's get started. Political symbiosis refers to a situation where different political groups, parties, or nations form a relationship that benefits all involved parties. It's similar to symbiosis in biology, where different organisms live together in a way that helps each other survive and thrive. In the political realm, this means that despite differences in ideology or goals, groups can come together to work on common interests or face shared challenges. The key point here is mutual benefit. Each party gains something from the relationship. To understand political symbiosis better, let's look at some examples. A classic case might be a coalition government, where multiple political parties join forces to form a majority. Although they may have differing policies, they work together to govern effectively. Another example could be international alliances, like NATO, where countries come together for mutual defense and security benefits. These examples show how political symbiosis operates on both national and international levels, emphasizing cooperation for common advantages. Why is political symbiosis important? First, it promotes peaceful coexistence and collaboration among different political entities. This can lead to more stable and effective governance, as parties focus on what they can achieve together rather than their disagreements. Additionally, political symbiosis can help address global challenges, such as climate change or terrorism, that no single entity can tackle alone. It encourages a mindset of working together for the greater good, highlighting the power of unity in diversity. Understanding political symbiosis opens our eyes to the potential of cooperative politics. It shows us that even in a world marked by division, there's a place for unity and mutual benefit. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating concept and its role in shaping a more collaborative political landscape. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Keep learning, keep questioning, and see you in the next video.